Introducing the Navien Tankless Water Heater. The Navien NPE series is the #1 selling, high-efficiency, condensing tankless water heater in North America. Available in NPE Standard and NPE Advanced models, it was the first tankless water heater on the market with durable, dual stainless steel heat exchangers. And the NPEA introduced Comfort Flow, a built-in recirculation system that was the first of its kind. Now, Navien has unveiled the next generation of condensing tankless innovation, the NPE2 series. The Navien Tankless Water Heater, making it even easier to go tankless. To learn more about going tankless, call 704-289-6858 or book online at www.superiorplumbinganddrains.com. Contact Superior Plumbing and Drains today.